Hey guys, Heather Petersheim Norwex Independent Consultant, and if you wear glasses, sunglasses, you own a cell phone, a little laptop or tablet, you want to listen up, and that's pretty much everybody, right? Okay, so the optic scarf is one of my all over the house, just like I keep chapstick all over the house, must have, most used Norwex products, and it clips onto your bag with a handy clip. I have other things clipped onto it here. You can take it off to launder it, but here's the deal. So like when you are at home with your glasses, somehow they always seem to get smudged up. When you are at the beach and you're applying sunscreen and then you touch your sunglasses, they get smudged up. Your cell phone is one of the most dirty surfaces that you own, and you're touching it constantly. It's a very high touch surface. So are kids' tablets, computers, things like that. And you don't want to remove anti-glare from a lot of different screens. So this is not going to remove anti-glare, but what it's going to do is remove 99% of bacteria from a surface immediately without a chemical when following proper use and care. It's going to remove fingerprints and smudges, so you have a super clean surface. These are meant to be used slightly damp, but I'm going to be honest, I use mine dry most of the time, and they do a great job at removing that bacteria from your high touch surfaces, fingerprints and smudges, from things that you're trying to look through. And also, I'm a photographer. I keep one of these hanging on my camera bag. It's safe for my lenses and effective. I always keep one hanging from my purse, one from my beach bag, one from the area I sit to do my personal development time in the morning, one by my computer, one in the car. They are just everywhere and an absolute must. I have one in my nightstand. They come in a lot of really different pretty patterns. This one's a limited edition. You can't get it right now, but it matches my little fanny pack thing I have going on right now. And again, you can take them off and toss them in the wash. Just make sure you're washing them with a free and clear detergent, no fabric softener, and no dryer sheets. They are Norwex microfiber, so they also do have a 2-year warranty, and they have a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. So these are a really practical, pretty, fun gift as well for really anybody. We have some patterns. Like I said, we also have a blue that you can earn free in our host rewards when you host with us, which is great for guys, and great for teacher gifts, and just something really unique and useful if you have somebody in your life who is a photographer or has glasses, sunglasses, a cell phone, or tablet, which is pretty much all of us. So I promise you will love these. When you have one, you will want more, and you will never want to be far from it. I absolutely love it. You can earn it free through hosting, which you can do in person, online, half-hour, text or messenger express, catalog party, or even just open a referral link that you share with others, and your orders and theirs compile free. Spending cash for Norwex for you, as well as a bunch of product which changes every month. Really fun. Or you can join as a Norwex consultant and get 35% off of everything you buy always, or earn it free, which is really fun. So if you guys have questions, let me know. If you would like to order, my website is www.heatherpetersheim.norwex.biz. And you can also join my VIP group on Facebook. It's called Mission Greenhouse. Lots of fun things going on in there. I hope you guys have a great day and smudge-free surfaces.